In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own to your Wix website. This connection enables you to manage your domain's online presence directly through Wix while keeping your chosen domain host. To start, make sure you're logged in to your Wix account. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Domains page. You can usually find this in your account's dashboard. This is your central hub for all domain-related actions and information. Now that you're on the Domains page, the next thing you'll want to do is add your existing domain. Look for the option that says Add an existing domain. This feature allows you to connect domains you already own effortlessly. Click on it, and you'll see an option to connect a domain you already own. Select this, and it will prompt you to enter the domain name you're planning to connect. Here, you'll need to type in the exact domain name you own. Make sure there are no typing errors, as any misspellings could lead to connectivity issues. Once you've double-checked the domain name for accuracy, click on the Let's Go button. This action will guide you to a new set of instructions from Wix. Following this, you'll be provided a set of name servers by Wix. This is a crucial step because these name servers are what will link your domain with your Wix website. To proceed, you'll need to log into the account of the host where you purchased your domain. This could be any domain registrar or web hosting service where your domain is currently held. Once you've logged into your domain host's account, locate the settings to manage your domain's name servers. This section is typically found under Domain Management or Domain Settings, but it can vary depending on your provider. Replace the existing name servers with the new ones provided by Wix. By doing this, you're rerouting the internet's traffic to recognize Wix's servers as the new host for your domain. After updating the name servers, be sure to save the changes within your domain host's platform. It's important to be aware that after saving, the effects won't be instantaneous. It can take up to 48 hours for these changes to be recognized worldwide. This is a normal technical process known as domain propagation. During this period, you may notice intermittent connectivity as various parts of the world register the update. And that's it. You've successfully connected your existing domain to your Wix account. Remember, it may take some time before everything is fully operational, so be patient during this transition phase. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to Wix support. They're there to help ensure your website runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.